This backpack is heavy. This hike is steep. First annual stake and hike commencing. Main man red path. Get it?
Throwing up the horns.
Say what's up, Sven.
What up? Let's get our chef on.
Yeah, buddy. It's epic meal time. Super excited for these steaks. We got 2 strip loins. Epic.
Some hot.
Oh yeah, buddy. Toss them. Yep. Good boy. Ooh. We'll get some butter on there.
Butter now.
Yeah. Take it off. Beauty. Not bad. Let's try these bad boys. Damn. How was it? Beauty, dude. Thanks for watching. I know I'm pretty stoked on this. The first annual hike and steak. Steak and hike. Want to cut that up for me, Sven? Good man. Not bad. Not bad, eh?
Dig in.
Now we feast. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Come for a hike and steak. Okay, the feast is done. We're heading down Estevan. Quite the steep hill, so wish us luck. Yo, yo. I totally just fell and slid all the way down there. Yo, that hurt, bro. Jesus. Jesus! Oh shit! Ah! Ah! Fuck! Oh fuck, dude! Jesus! Ow, Cova, stop! Man, I gotta watch my foot! Damn! Okay, I fell twice by accident. See if I can just slide down on my own without dying here. Holy fuck! Ah! Dude! Ah! Oh! Oh! Stop, stop, stop! Ah! 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 Fuck, that hurt. Don't do that! Oh. I'm done with that. Woo! Yes! That hurt. This is a steak and hike signing out. Thanks for watching.